are cell padding and cell spacing? Well, cell padding is HTML attribute that defines distance between cell content and cell border, and cell spacing is HTML attribute that defines distance between table cells. So this is cell padding, or distance between cell content and cell border. And this is cell spacing, which represents distance between cells. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.